Hey guys, NRG0277 here, and there are three things that I forgot to show off in a lot of my videos about where I showed off all the old technology that I own. I wouldn't really say old because they're still making turntables and record players, but anyways, I'll just show you right away. So I'm at the very back of my shed, and this is right here is an old typewriter. It's jammed. A lot of the keys look very jammed, and it's rusty, and there's also this old projector. A while back I actually plugged it in, and it surprisingly worked. The light would even shine too. But there's also another projector I have that I want to show you. So I'm not really going to be able to, unfortunately, show off the typewriter, as it's covered in cobwebs and has like spiders crawling all over it, and I don't want to risk getting bitten and getting sick from whatever the hell kinds of spiders are crawling on it. But I do have some stories about it. I used to play with it a lot. I would always pretend it was a cash register, and I'm unsure if it still does this, because it's not like an electric one where you plug it in, but it has a little bell that dings like all typewriters do. And I would always just take the lever, pull it back, and then just ding it so it would make that noise. Unfortunately, I can't find any ink for it or any paper to put into the typewriter. Maybe one day I could try to fully restore that typewriter eventually, and get it working again and get the keys unstuck. But yeah, let's just move on to the two projectors I have. So as you can see, there's this other projector. It's a Bell & Howell auto-load projector. According to some articles I read online, it takes Super 8 film, and the arms shoot out like this. Got a little outlet on the back right here. As you can tell from years of being secluded in some old closet I found it in. It's the wire's all stiff. It won't, in fact, the wire just molded into the shape of the little supports it's holding onto. And as you can see, there's little arms where you put the film reels. Right here is where you load the, I can't remember which part you load in, but you load the film somewhere in this clear area right here, and it's supposed to go through like this. Of course, there's I believe this zooms in and out and adjusts the projecting light. There's also a little dial that, when turned and locked into place, will stand it up. And of course, you just, and it goes down. It also has of course, it's got these old switches for still, forward, and reverse. It even comes with a little metal card, and I'm unsure where the card goes to. Probably goes somewhere on the machine, but it must have fallen off at some point. It's even got a switch for lamp, motor, and off. And I'll take out the other projector now and show you. So here's the other projector. It's very similar. I believe it also takes Super 8 film, and it's got more switches, and of course it's not, obviously it's not in a case like this projector over here. But yeah, it's got switches on it for the motor, the lamp, similar to that. It's got some, I think a lot of these knobs and dials are rusted into place. If anyone knows about this particular projector, could you comment down below so you can tell me a little more about this one? Because this is the one that I showed off earlier in the video. This one has a little switch also where it says off, rewind, and on. This is probably for rewinding the film you put on it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So yeah, these are the two projectors and the typewriter that I forgot to show off. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.